Hello friends, welcome to Infinky Infopedia, and today we've got an exclusive sneak peek at the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro. It hasn't been long since the official launch of the Pixel 8, and we've already got the Pixel 9 Pro leaked before we've even seen the Pixel 8a. The leak comes from OnLeaks, and he's proved himself to be reliable and accurate time and time again. If we quickly take a look at the Pixel 8 Pro leak from OnLeaks that he tweeted back in March 2023, you can see it's a very accurate render of the Pixel 8 Pro, and it was posted 7 months before the official release. So if we start with the camera module, it's similar to the Pixel 8 Pro, confirming 3 lenses, including a periscope, and the temperature sensors holding its ground. Moving on to the design, the Pixel 9 Pro is coming with the curved display and opting for a flat edge design, much like the new iPhones and the Galaxy S24. Sporting a titanium frame, this phone is all about that sleek and modern look. When it comes to the display, it's again going to be a flat display with a punch-hole camera in the top center. We're seeing a reduction in display size from last year, and we're going from 6.7-inch down to a 6.5-inch display now. The only other change you can see here is that the SIM tray has been moved to the bottom of the phone and it's now next to the USB-C port. On top of the new design, we will of course get lots of new AI features. Now, for those of you excited about the Pixel 9 or the Pixel 9 Pro, we're now going to run through the full specs design and the expected pricing to help you guys decide which one is right for you. So let's get started. Now let's talk about the standard Pixel 9. With the standard Pixel 9, we get a 6.1-inch flat display protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It's a 120Hz Full HD plus AMOLED display with a resolution of 2400 by 1080. We get a punch-hole camera for the selfies. While the camera is currently unknown, it's likely going to be a 12-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, we get a triple camera setup. For the first time on the standard Pixel, it's going to be a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto camera. While the exact sensors are still unknown at the moment, the primary camera is no doubt going to be the same as the Pixel 9 Pro going by the previous releases. The phone is going to be equipped with Google's new Tensor G4 chipset, and it's going to bring with it improvements in performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. It's going to come with 8 GB of RAM, along with a choice of 128 or 256 GB storage. This will of course be UFS 4, we're expecting a 4600 mAh battery with improvements to fast charging. We get 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. We also get an ultra-wideband chip, and the phone will be shipped with Android 15. The Pixel 9 is launching in October. We're still awaiting confirmation of the prices, but it's estimated that it's going to launch from around $700. Next up, we've got the Pixel 9 Pro. With the Pixel 9 Pro, we get a 6.5-inch flat display protected by Gorilla Glass armor. It's a 120Hz AMOLED display with a resolution of 2992 by 1344. We're likely going to see some improvements to the peak brightness. We expect something around 2600 to 2800 nits. We get a punch-hole camera for the selfies, and while the selfie camera is currently unknown, it's likely going to be a 12-megapixel selfie camera. On the rear, we get a triple camera setup consisting of a wide, an ultra-wide, and a telephoto camera. While the exact cameras are still unknown at the moment, it could be the same as last year. There will be some improvements to photography compared to last year, whether that's through hardware or software. Now, the phone is going to be equipped with Google's new Tensor G4 chipset, and it's going to bring with it improvements in performance, efficiency, and AI capabilities. It's going to come with 12 GB of RAM, and then a choice of up to 1 TB storage. Again, this is UFS 4, expecting a 5100 mAh battery with improvements to fast charging, and it's still unknown at the moment. We get 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband, and the phone will of course ship with Android 15. The Pixel 9 Pro is launching in October. We're still waiting for confirmation on the prices, but it's estimated to launch from $1,000. Google's Pixel 9 and 9 Pro are bringing the expected design tweaks, some serious hardware upgrades, and loads of AI goodness. As always, Google's camera game remains a focus, promising improvements in both photos and videos. There are still lots of unknowns at the moment, but Google has never been good at keeping their phones secret. So, there you have it, what to expect from the new Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. If you want to stay updated on all tech news, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.